Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today, as promised, I am going to be breaking down all of the Foreo by Sweden UFO activated masks. And if you didn't catch my original video where I shared with you guys a demo and review on the new UFO 2, then I will link that down below. I do recommend that you go and check out that video first so you know everything about the UFO, and then jump right into this video so you get a more detailed breakdown of all the masks to use alongside the UFO 2. So without further ado, let's get into all of the UFO activated masks. So first of all, I'm just going to share with you a little bit about the UFO activated masks as a whole, and then I will go into more detail about each mask, what they do, what their benefits are, and what they can do for your specific skincare concerns. Now, the UFO activated masks that you use with your UFO device are formulated with the purest and premium ingredients, and they're also made in Korea. They are free from parabens, silicones, mineral oils, to name but a few. And you can also use the Foreo app paired with your chosen smart mask to give you a unique UFO routine, whether that be for the AM or the PM. As well as this, you can also create your own power mask treatment routine personalized for you that I did mention in the original video. Overall, the benefits of the UFO team with the smart mask are that the mask is distributed evenly, it absorbs better, and it also locks in moisture. All the masks can be purchased alone or within a value kit on the Foreo website. There is also packs where you can purchase the mask with the UFO if you don't have that already. I recommend using the device with your chosen smart mask 1 to 3 times a week, depending on your skincare concern and aim.
First off, let's start with the basics. These two masks are known as the Daily Duo and consist of Make My Day and Call It a Night. Make My Day, as the name suggests, can be used in the morning, incorporated into your existing skincare routine. One box retails for $9.99 for 7 mask sachets. However, the more boxes you buy, the more you can save on the Foreo website. This is a hydrating mask suitable for all skin types that contains red algae extract and hyaluronic acid, which are perfect for anyone who has dehydrated or dry skin. The treatment as a whole combines red light, thermotherapy, T-sonic pulsations, and green LED lights for a brighter and more radiant complexion. Call It a Night, again as the name suggests, is suitable to be slotted into your PM skincare routine. A box of 7 mask sachets retails for $9.99 on the Foreo website. Call It a Night is perfect for all skin types, and this olive oil and ginseng infused mask helps to revitalize, nourish, and rejuvenate the skin with the help of the red LED light, thermotherapy, and T-sonic pulsation. Moving on to what is known as the Advanced Collection. This collection consists of 5 different concentrated masks that are aimed at various skincare concerns. First off, let's start with the H2 Overdose Mask. This is a 2-minute ultra hydrating treatment infused with hyaluronic acid. H2 Overdose retails for $18.99 and you get 6 treatments inside the box. This is a wonderful one to use of a morning if you're in need of a shot of hydration or you suffer from dehydrated or dry skin. Suitable for all skin types, the mask combined with the UFO's red and green LED lights, thermotherapy and T-sonic pulsations help to deliver an intense hit of long-lasting hydration, soothe dry skin and replenish dehydrated skin. Youth Yunkie is a collagen-infused mask compatible for dry or mature skin. In the box is 6 2-minute mask treatment sachets, and the box of 6 retails for $18.99. This nourishing mask can be used day or night to aid in plumping the skin, improving wrinkles and fine lines and elasticity. Youth Yunkie can be used with any of the UFOs to experience intensive renewal. Team with the red LED light, thermotherapy and T-sonic pulsations from the UFO to give you an all-round wonderful treatment experience. Glow Addict is a pearl infused brightening mask and 90-second treatment. Inside the box is 6 mask sachets, and the box as a whole retails for $18.99. Suitable for all skin types and compatible with all UFO devices, the Glow Addict is one of my favourites to use of a morning because it gives you that beautiful radiant glow. Green LED lights, thermotherapy and T-sonic pulsations combined with this brightening mask make it fantastic for anyone who suffers from loss of radiance or dullness. Glow Addict aims to boost, brighten and illuminate lackluster and dull skin tones. Next up is this purifying charcoal infused mask called Maniac. This is a 90-second treatment compatible with the UFO and UFO 2. A box of 6 sachets retails for $18.99. Matte Maniac has a jelly-like consistency, and combined with the blue and purple LED light, thermo and cryotherapy plus T-sonic pulsations from the UFO make it overall an excellent all-rounder mask for anyone who has oily or combination skin and suffers from enlarged pores and blemishes. I love doing this mask of a morning because it not only mattifies and purifies the skin, but it's also just a refreshing treatment to do thanks to the cryotherapy feature. Okay, last but not least within the advanced collection is Shimmer, which is a specifically targeted caffeine infused eye treatment mask. This refreshing 90-second treatment retails for $18.99 for a pack of 6 masks and combines red and blue LED light, cryotherapy and T-sonic pulsations from the UFO for an all-round illuminating pick-me-up treat to do of a morning. Shimmer is compatible with the UFO 2 and UFO and is suitable for all skin types plus anyone who suffers from puffiness, dry under eyes or dark circles. This gel-like mask has a hint of shimmer to brighten the eyes, reduce the appearance of fine lines and refresh and awaken tired eyes. The last mask collection available is called Farm to Face, which combines internationally sourced natural ingredients to deliver nutrient-rich and potent natural plant-based formulas for your face. The Farm to Face collection consists of 5 different masks, including Bulgarian rose, coconut oil, Manuka honey, acai berry and green tea. Each formula contains 6 masks within the box, and all of the 5 different masks retail for $18.99 per box of 6. I am yet to try this collection, but what I can share with you is what specific concerns each mask is aimed at, starting with Bulgarian rose. This mask can be used with the UFO 2 and UFO and is suitable for all skin types, but specifically targeted for anyone who has dull, dehydrated or dry skin. This is a hydrating 2-minute treatment infused with Bulgarian rose and jojoba seed oil. The coconut oil formula is a nourishing mask that contains coconut water and coconut oil, and it's wonderful for anyone who has dehydrated or dry skin. This 2-minute treatment is compatible with all UFO devices and is suitable for all skin types. Manuka honey is a 2-minute treatment that can be used again with all of the UFO devices. Manuka honey and allantoin are the key ingredients within this mask that help to deliver overall a revitalizing treatment, perfect for dehydrated, aging and dry skin. Acai berry is a smoothing and anti-aging 2-minute treatment suitable for all skin types. Acai berry and shea butter are the key ingredients within this mask that help with skin conditions such as diminished elasticity, wrinkles and fine lines, and dull skin to deliver a hydrating, smoothing and reviving treatment compatible with all UFO devices. Lastly, within the Farm to Face collection is green tea, which is a purifying 2-minute treatment for all skin types that is suitable for the UFO 2 and UFO. Key ingredients include green tea from Japan and Ulmus davidiana root extract that make this an excellent all-round mask for oily and blemish-prone skin to help soothe, rejuvenate and protect the skin. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments down below if you do use the UFO 2 or UFO, what are your favourite masks to use with this device. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!